Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change your door courtesy light on the 2009 through 2014 Acura TL. I'm using a Philips bulb 194 LED. You can use any brand as long as it's 194. First step is to insert the screwdriver or a pry bar, if you have like a plastic one, into the side of the housing, and it just pops out as you can see. And just unplug the top right there, because there's no screw on this housing, it just pops up. Just remove the back cover, and you can see the old halogen bulb there. And I'm just going to get a napkin and remove it, just so I won't get any grease on the bulb. There's the bulb, and I'm going to just pull it out. And there I installed the new bulb. That's the LED bulb. It just slides back in. I connected it there, but as you can see, it didn't start. So what you do now is just take out the LED bulb and flip it around, and that should solve the issue. If it doesn't start, just flip it. Just pushing it back in, and now insert the harness back on, and boom, there it started. And replace the cover back on, the back cover. And I'll simply push the housing back in and just press upwards until you hear the clicking sound, and you will be all set, because this housing has no screws. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.